Once upon a time, there was a single dad named Jack. Jack was a loving father, always putting his children first. He cherished every moment he spent with them, whether it was walking in the park or playing in the backyard. But beneath his warm smile, Jack carried a heavy burden. He was determined to provide a good life for his kids, but he was struggling. The weight of his responsibilities often left him feeling overwhelmed. He would watch his children play, his heart filled with love and worry. How could he ensure their happiness and security? Jack worked long hours, often late into the night, trying to make ends meet. He took on multiple jobs, from waiting tables to freelance gigs, but it was never enough. The exhaustion was evident in his eyes, yet he never let it show when he was with his kids. They were his world, and he was their hero. One day, while sitting on a park bench, Jack overheard a conversation that piqued his interest. It was about a magical kingdom called affiliate marketing. The idea of earning money by promoting other people's products sounded like a dream come true. Could this be the answer to his prayers? In this kingdom, people could earn money by promoting other people's products. It was a bustling marketplace, full of opportunities and potential. Jack imagined himself as part of this vibrant community, helping others while securing a better future for his family. Jack was intrigued. He knew this could be his chance to change his life. The thought of being able to work from home, spend more time with his children, and still provide for them filled him with hope. He felt a spark of inspiration, a glimmer of possibility that he hadn't felt in a long time. But the journey wouldn't be easy. Jack knew that venturing into the world of affiliate marketing would require hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. It was like hiking up a steep hill with no clear path in sight, but Jack was no stranger to challenges. He had faced many in his life, and he was ready to face this one too. Affiliate marketing was a vast and complex world, full of challenges and uncertainties. There were countless products to choose from, strategies to master, and competitors to outshine. It was a crowded marketplace, and standing out would require more than just effort. It would require ingenuity and perseverance. Jack knew he needed to learn the ropes, and develop the right mindset to succeed. He spent hours reading books, watching tutorials, and taking notes. He was determined to understand the intricacies of affiliate marketing, from choosing the right products to crafting compelling content. Every bit of knowledge brought him one step closer to his goal. Jack, our hero, decided to embark on this adventure. He packed his metaphorical backpack with all the knowledge and tools he had gathered. He stood at the trailhead, looking out at the vast landscape of opportunities before him. He knew the path would be long and arduous, but he was ready to take the first step. He knew it wouldn't be easy, but he was determined to create a brighter future for himself and his children. With each step he took, he felt a renewed sense of purpose. He was not just walking a path for himself, but for his children, ensuring they would have the life they deserved. And so, Jack's journey into the land of clicks and conversions began, filled with hope, determination, and the unwavering love of a father. Imagine affiliate marketing as a magical garden. You plant magic beans, which are like special links to products. When people click your links and buy something, you earn a commission. There are different types of magic beans. Some offer high rewards but are harder to grow. Others are easier but might not yield as much. You need to choose wisely. Think of it like choosing the right seeds for your garden. Some seeds might be for giant pumpkins, while others are for juicy strawberries. Each requires a different approach and yields unique rewards. Choosing the right magic beans is crucial for success. It's about finding products you believe in and that fit your audience. Every hero faces challenges, and Jack was no exception. His journey was fraught with obstacles that seemed insurmountable at times. Each step he took was a testament to his resilience and determination. The path was not easy, and the stakes were high. Jack knew that the road to success was paved with trials and tribulations, but he was ready to face them head-on. The giant of doubt loomed large, whispering negativity and fear. It was a formidable adversary, casting a long shadow over Jack's aspirations. The giant's voice was a constant presence, echoing in Jack's mind, trying to undermine his confidence and resolve. "You're not cut out for this!" it boomed, its voice reverberating through the valleys of Jack's mind. The words were heavy, laden with the weight of countless failures and disappointments. "It's too hard, too competitive, you'll never make it," the giant continued, its tone dripping with disdain. The path ahead was steep and rocky with no clear way forward. It was shrouded in mist, obscuring Jack's vision and making each step a leap of faith. The uncertainty was daunting, but Jack knew that he couldn't let the fear of the unknown paralyze him. But Jack, fueled by his love for his children and his dream of a better life, refused to listen. He drew strength from the moments of joy and love he shared with his family. The laughter of his children and the warmth of their hugs were his anchors, grounding him in his purpose. He knew that every successful affiliate marketer had faced their own giants. They had all walked this path, battled their own doubts, and emerged victorious. Their stories were a source of inspiration for Jack, reminding him that he was not alone in his struggle. He remembered the wise words, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." These words resonated deeply with Jack, serving as a beacon of hope and motivation. They reminded him that passion and perseverance were the keys to overcoming any obstacle. This fueled his determination to overcome any obstacle. Jack knew that the journey would be tough, but he was prepared to face it with unwavering resolve. Each challenge was an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become stronger. Jack knew that beyond the giant of doubt lay the castle of success. It was a place of peace, abundance, and the joy of achieving his dreams. The vision of this castle kept him going, even when the path seemed impossible. Inside, peace, abundance, and the joy of achieving his dreams awaited. Jack's journey was far from over, but he knew that with each step, he was getting closer to his goal. The castle of success was not just a destination, it was a testament to his perseverance, courage, and unwavering belief in himself. One day Jack encountered a wise owl perched on a branch. The owl spoke, "To succeed, young man, you must choose your niche wisely." "A niche is like your area of expertise," explained the owl. "It's where your passion meets your audience's needs. Think about what you enjoy and what you're good at," the owl advised. "What problems can you solve? What value can you offer?" Jack realized the owl was right. Trying to be everything to everyone would only lead to frustration. He needed to focus and become an authority in a specific area. Section 5. Planting the seeds, building your website. With renewed determination, Jack began building his website. He saw it as his online garden, where he would plant his magic bean links. He knew his website needed to be attractive and easy to navigate. He carefully chose a design and organized his content in a way that made sense. He learned about keywords, those special words people use to search online. Jack sprinkled them throughout his website, making it easier for people to find him. Just like a beautiful garden attracts bees and butterflies, an appealing website will attract visitors and potential customers. Section 6. The Golden Goose. Content is king. Content is king, the wise owl had told Jack. Create valuable, informative, and engaging content that your audience will love. Jack understood. He started creating blog posts, videos, and social media updates that provided real value to his readers. He shared his knowledge, insights, and even personal stories. He made sure his content was well-written, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. He wanted to make sure people could easily find and enjoy his work. Jack's content became his golden goose, attracting more visitors, building trust, and ultimately, leading to more sales. Section 7. The Bridge of Trust, connecting with your audience. Jack knew that building relationships was key to success in affiliate marketing. He saw it as building a bridge of trust with his audience. He responded to comments, answered questions, and engaged with his followers on social media. He showed genuine interest in their lives and their needs. He was transparent about his affiliate relationships, letting his audience know that he only recommended products he truly believed in. By being authentic and building strong connections, Jack earned the trust and loyalty of his audience, which translated into long-term success. Section 8. Happily Ever After, Achieving Affiliate Marketing Success. Time flew by, and Jack's hard work began to pay off. He had spent countless hours researching, learning, and implementing strategies that would drive traffic to his website. He meticulously selected affiliate products that resonated with his audience, ensuring that he provided value with every recommendation. Jack's dedication was unwavering, and his persistence started to bear fruit. His website traffic grew, his affiliate sales increased, and he was finally able to provide the life he had always dreamed of for his children. The extra income allowed him to spend more quality time with his family, creating memories that would last a lifetime. They went on vacations, enjoyed weekend getaways, and indulged in simple pleasures like family picnics and movie nights. Jack's success wasn't just measured in financial terms, it was evident in the smiles and laughter of his children. He had faced his fears, overcome challenges, and built a successful business doing something he loved. The journey wasn't easy, there were moments of doubt and setbacks, but Jack's resilience and passion for affiliate marketing kept him going. He learned from his mistakes, adapted his strategies, and continued to push forward. Each obstacle he overcame made him stronger and more determined to succeed. He had achieved his happily ever after. The sense of fulfillment he felt was beyond words. Jack had not only built a thriving business but also created a life filled with joy, love, and purpose. He cherished every moment spent with his family, knowing that his hard work had made it all possible. The journey had been worth every effort, and the rewards were immeasurable. But Jack knew that the journey wasn't over. Success in affiliate marketing required continuous learning and adaptation. The digital landscape was ever-changing, and staying ahead meant being proactive and innovative. Jack committed to ongoing education, attending seminars, reading industry blogs, and networking with other successful marketers. He understood that complacency was the enemy of progress. He continued to learn, grow, and adapt to the ever-changing world of affiliate marketing. Jack embraced new technologies, experimented with different marketing techniques, and refined his approach based on data and feedback. His commitment to excellence ensured that his business remained competitive and relevant. He was not just a marketer, he was a lifelong learner, always seeking ways to improve and innovate. He had discovered that success wasn't just about the money, it was about the journey, the lessons learned, and the positive impact he was able to make on others. Jack found immense satisfaction in mentoring aspiring marketers, sharing his knowledge, and helping them achieve their goals. He gave back to the community, knowing that his success could inspire and uplift others. For Jack, the true measure of success was the difference he made in the lives of those around him. Section 9. Your own fairy tale awaits. Jack's story is a reminder that success in affiliate marketing and in life is possible for anyone willing to put in the effort. It's about perseverance, dedication, and a belief in yourself. So, take that first step, choose your magic beans, and start planting the seeds for your own success. Your own fairy tale awaits. Don't be afraid to embrace the journey, overcome challenges, and never give up on your dreams. Remember, every click, every conversion is a step towards a brighter future. Start writing your own success story today.